Faculty of Science with Rahul Kesherwani. Today I will start the new chapters or new topics, that is heat. Basically, what is heat? क्या है ये heat? Heat actually is a form of energy. Actually, you can also see when uh, when a rice is put in a pressure cooker, then it releases some heat. When we bring our hand to that part, then we feel some hotness, right? Actually, this is due to the heat. Heat is a form of energy. Heat is a form of energy which can flow from higher temperature to lower temperature. मीन्स हीट एक एनर्जी का फॉर्म है जो ट्रांसफर होता है फ्रॉम हायर लेवल टू लोअर लेवल, राइट? सो व्हाट इज हीट? हीट इज अ फॉर्म of energy which can flow from higher temperature to lower temperature. मीन्स एक ऐसी एनर्जी जो फ्लो होती है हायर टेम्परेचर टू लोअर टेम्परेचर. जस्ट लाइक एज सपोज दिस इज अ ब्लॉक, ए ब्लॉक, एंड हैविंग टेम्परेचर 35 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड, एंड दिस इज another block which have temperature 25 degree centigrade. If I ask which one have higher temperature, then this is present at higher temperature and this is present in lower temperature, right? When we attach A and B block through a wire से connect करें, then heat is flow from higher temperature to lower temperature till both the block obtain the same temperature. हीट का फ्लो तब तक होता रहेगा जब तक both blocks not obtain same temperature, तब तक इनमें हीट का फ्लो होता रहेगा. मीन्स A and B have same temperature. Means what is the temperature of this block? This is a T1 and this is a T2. When we attach, then heat is flow from A to B, right? So the common temperature of this block T1 plus T2 upon 2, that is 35 plus 25 upon 2, means 5, 5, 10, 5 and 6 upon 2, that is 30 degrees centigrade. Means when we connect a block A to the block B which have temperature 35 degrees centigrade to 25 degrees centigrade, it is flow from higher temperature to lower temperature till when the blocks obtain 30 degrees centigrade. अब इसका भी 30 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड टेम्परेचर हो गया और इसका भी 30 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड टेम्परेचर हो गया. And in this condition both blocks have same temperature and this is called steady state and there is no heat flow because they obtain the same temperature, right? So these are the concept of heat. Now actually this heat is developed due to the difference of temperature. अगर टेम्परेचर का डिफरेंस ना हो तो हीट कैन नॉट फ्लो, मीन्स हीट प्रोड्यूस ही नहीं होगा. तो क्या है ये टेम्परेचर? So let's start. What is the temperature? जैसे अब अगर गर्मी के दिनों में इस मार्कर को टच करें तो आपको ये कोल्ड फील होगा। गर्मी के दिनों में अगर आप इसे टच करें तो आपको हल्का सा हॉट फील होगा। मीन्स टेम्परेचर इज द डिग्री ऑफ हॉटनेस और कोल्डनेस। कोई ऑब्जेक्ट कितना गर्म है, कोई ऑब्जेक्ट कितना ठंडा है, दैट रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय अ क्वांटिटी कॉल्ड एज द टेम्परेचर। सो इट इज द degree of hotness or coldness of a body, right? So this is temperature. It is represented by capital T. Represented by capital T. Now, what is the unit of temperature? Actually, temperature is measured in various units, but here only we describe only two because in your syllabus only two units are present. Number one, that is the Celsius, and number two, that is Kelvin. Means we measure the temperature in Celsius and Kelvin, right? So how can we measure the temperature? How can we measure the temperature? So measurement of temperature. Measurement of temperature. Temperature can be measured by an instrument called as thermometer. Thermometer. Types of thermometer. Basically, two types of thermometer is present. Number one, clinical thermometer, and number two is a laboratory thermometer. This clinical thermometer is used for measuring the body temperature of human body. It is used for measuring temperature of human body. But this laboratory thermometer which is present in the lab, it is used to measure temperature of various material in lab, right? So these are the concept of thermometer. Actually, the liquid present in the thermometer is thermometric liquid. Now, thermometric liquid. The liquid present in thermometer called as thermometric liquid. And there is two types of thermometric liquid. Number one, that is mercury, and number two, that is alcohol. As in clinical thermometer, mercury liquid is used in clinical thermometer mercury is used. Why we use the mercury? Reason for using mercury. Number one, it does not vaporize. Means ये वेपर फॉर्म में चेंज नहीं होता. It does not vaporize. Second, it have silvery sign. Means when we observe, then it becomes silvery sign. It appeared as silvery sign. Third, it have uniform expansion. So these are the reason by which we use the mercury in the clinical thermometer. Right? Now, what is the disadvantage for using mercury? What is the disadvantage for using mercury? Disadvantage for using mercury. First, mercury is a poisonous material. That's why when we use the thermometer, then be careful for using the clinical thermometer, because it contains the mercury. If this thermometer breaks, then it releases the mercury which is go to your stomach and they causes more dangerous effect. Right? Now, what is the temperature scale in the thermometer? Temperature scale in thermometer. Actually, in thermometer, temperature scale is categorized into two categories. First one is in Celsius. Second one in Fahrenheit. We also discuss one more thing, that is Kelvin. The lowest point is taken as melting point of ice. मीन्स किसी भी स्केल में हमें जो लोएस्ट पॉइंट लेना है वो हमेशा क्या होना चाहिए? मेल्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ आइस होना चाहिए. In case of Celsius, this is 0 degree centigrade. In case of Fahrenheit, this is 32 degree Fahrenheit. In case of Kelvin, this is 273 degree Kelvin. Right? But the highest point is boiling point of water. Boiling point of water. In case of Celsius, there is 100 degrees centigrade. In this 212 degree Fahrenheit. In Kelvin, this is 373 degree Kelvin. Right? So this is a temperature scale. If one question arises, how we convert the Celsius into Fahrenheit or Fahrenheit into Kelvin? So I will provide one common formula by which you can convert one temperature scale into the another temperature scale. Listen, what is the difference between 100 to 0? That is 100. Difference between 212 minus 32, that is 180. What is the difference? That is 100. Clear? कहाँ से आया 212 minus 32 is equal to 180, right? So what is the temperature scale? That is Celsius, represented by C. This is represented by F and this is represented by K, right? So Celsius scale C upon -0, मतलब लोअर टेम्परेचर को माइनस अपॉन 100 इक्वल टू, दिस इज फॉरेनहाइट F, लोअर टेम्परेचर -32 अपॉन 180 इक्वल टू K minus lower temperature 273 upon 100. By using this formula, you can convert from one unit to another unit. Means from Celsius to Fahrenheit or Fahrenheit to Kelvin. Take one example to convert temperature. Convert 35 degree Fahrenheit into Kelvin, sorry, centigrade, Celsius. मीन्स फ़ारेनहाइट में गिवन और सेल्सियस में कन्वर्ट करना है। तो एफ वैल्यू दी है, सी आपको कैलकुलेट करना है, आपको इससे कोई मतलब नहीं होना चाहिए। यू राइट दिस फार्मूला सी माइनस 0 अपॉन 100 इक्वल टू एफ माइनस 32 अपॉन 180, राइट? सो आपको किसमें नहीं कैलकुलेट करना है, सी में, तो दैट इज सी। माइनस कोई मतलब है नहीं, जीरो माइनस करने कोई मतलब आएगा, तो सी अपॉन 100 इक्वल टू एफ, एफ की वैल्यू दैट इज 35 माइनस 32 अपॉन 180, सी अपॉन 100 इक्वल टू 3 अपॉन 180, राइट? You can also cut 0 by 0, so c upon 10 is equal to 3 upon 80, so cross multiply, c is equal to 3 into 10 upon 100 for 18, so 30 upon 18. This is the temperature in Celsius scale. If you divide 18 1 is 18, then 12.0, so 6 so then 1.6 degree centigrade. So your answer is 1.6 degree centigrade, right? Now the second question. Now the second question, convert 50 degree centigrade into Kelvin. So C is equal to 50, K is equal to question mark. C upon 100 is equal to K minus 273 upon 100. C की वैल्यू गिवन है 50 upon 100 is equal to K minus 273 upon 100. Divide cancelled out, so 50 equal to K minus 273 minus goes here, then plus 50 plus 273 is equal to K. K is equal to 323 Kelvin, right? So this is the temperature in Kelvin, right? (95 degree Fahrenheit to 110 degree Fahrenheit). Means in case of clinical thermometer, there is a temperature range from 35 degrees centigrade to 43 degrees centigrade, or in case of Fahrenheit 95 degree Fahrenheit to 100 degree Fahrenheit. Actually our body, normal body temperature is 36.9 degree Fahrenheit. Basically, it is represented in 37 degrees centigrade. But in case of Fahrenheit, this is 98.6 Fahrenheit. Right? But in case of laboratory thermometer, the temperature range is minus 10 degrees centigrade to 100 degrees centigrade. Right? So these are the concept of heat, thermometer and thermometric liquid as well as conversion of temperature. So thank you for watching this video. Like this video, share this video and also subscribe this channel. Thank you.